Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. So welcome to a new vlog, guys. Um, how are you guys doing? Welcome to another beautiful day in my life. I've been working since morning, seriously, since after dropping these children from school. Since after dropping them in the school, I have been so busy this morning, in fact, and I've even made soup. So I have been craving for some days now for vegetable soup. So I just made myself one right now, and being that it's over 2 weeks now, we have not had anything like swallow in this house. Yeah, we don't really do swallow like that in the house. I think it's me because anytime I bring it, the children they always accept it. But I think it's me. I'm not the typical kind of swallow person. So it's been over 2 weeks since the last time we swallowed in this house, and I just made vegetable soup now. Wow. So um I think we're going to be having swallow this afternoon, depending when they come back if they will want to have it. But I know, but for me, sure, I'll be having swallow this afternoon. But in the meantime, guys, welcome to a new vlog. And this vlog is going to be interesting. I hope you guys are going to like it, but I don't really know what it's going to be all about. Oh. Meantime, again, since I am done with everything I want to do, I want to quickly go and shower because it's almost time to pick these children up from school. But before I go and shower, let me show you guys my vegetable soup. Yo, yo. Here is my soup. Look at that. So, I couldn't carry you guys along because I was really very, very busy. So I have some little utazi here because I want it a little bit bitter. And then I use spinach, and then I use that salad. It's a salad that looks like water leaf we usually have here. So that's what I use. What can you guys see? Look at my soup. I can't wait to devour this soup. So guys, let me go and have my bath, and I'm going to be seeing you guys later. Hey guys, so I am done taking my bath, and I'm already dressed up. It's almost time in about few minutes, 5 minutes more. So I'll be heading out now to go and pick the kids from school. Um, the weather is really chilly today. That's why I'm wearing like a pullover. I have just a t-shirt, polo shirt. What would I call this? And um, I don't know. For some time now, I've become loving to wrap my hair. Because I have a lot of all these kind of little scarves, but I don't use them. Okay, I got them a lot because I used to use them to, attach to some of my dressing, my attires, especially when I'm going for an occasion. But the thing is that for a very long time now, man, not they go any occasion again. Like I'm not interested anymore. I don't have the zeal. It's not in me anymore. It's like I've lost interest in going out like that. And maybe it's because there are not much occasions to go to anymore since ever this COVID. So a lot of people has actually, withdrawn from celebrating a lot of things. Just like me, um, celebrating things for my children now are a bit difficult because I just don't want to draw crowd. I kind of like decided to create my own little circle in my family. So I believe that's the same thing most people are not doing now. Um, So that's it. Instead of having all of them locked up inside my bag or my luggage, I'm kind of like going back to them to use them and style myself. Since my life now is always on a basic level, just within running errands and the rest of that. It's okay. It's okay. I'm not complaining, okay? With life, I still have a lot of other things to achieve. But before I start talking too much, rambling a lot. Let me just start going to go and pick these children. So this is my look, guys, and I'm loving pink since I am the only pink in the family. I am the only female. I am the mom. I'm the daughter. I am the six. I am all of that. That's how it is. You get to love pink and love your colors and be treated like a queen, even though they're not treating me like the queen. I am the one that is suffering all the suffer. Anyway, guys, see you guys later. Let's go and pick the kids from school. No, take it away from there.
Why?
Why do you want to show them?
I want to show them.
No, I said no. Mattis, I said no. Don't play with something like that. Mikey, how was school today?
Good. Nice.
Martins, what is it? What is it now?
I want to eat some fufu.
You will eat semo. I'm going to make semo now.
No.
Meanwhile, how did the school go today?
Fine. Fine.
Any text? No.
No, wait.
Martins, your hair grows so fast. We are going to cut this hair again.
No.
I'm going to cut it like the one I cut for ex-mother Ellery this time.
No.
Why no? You don't like it?
No.
You don't like it?
No.
Why?
No.
Michael, how did it go today?
Nice. Nice.
Any text? Yes, people were having religion.
Yeah.
How did it go today? How did the text go today?
Nice. Good.
So guys, we are back home. We just entered the house now. So I'm going to enter the kitchen and make food. Mickey, fufu.
No.
Why no?
No.
Why no?
Guys, I don't like fufu. No.
You don't like it or you don't want to take it now? What do you mean you don't like fufu? You never said you don't like fufu. You don't like it or you don't want to have fufu now?
I don't like it.
Mickey, since when? Guy, be serious. You say you don't like it, you don't want to have it now. But I'm sorry, we have to have fufu.
No.
Yes, me, I want to have fufu. Mattis,
I want to finish.
Mattis, get down from there.
Okay.
Mattis, you, what do you want to have?
My favorite food is the wolf.
Fufu.
Yeah.
Michael, so do a control O now. We beat. So we have to have fufu.
No.
Yes.
No.
I don't have white rice. I would have given you to eat the soup with white rice. But I don't have white rice and I cannot go and start boiling rice because I know that once S1 and LLD comes back, they are going to as well eat fufu. So we are going to eat fufu. So guys, entering the kitchen now. Let me go and cook. Martins, stop jumping. You guys sit the other side as well. Once I'm about to start watching Debbie's video, her latest upload. It's a big struggle. So I just decided to use my hand and try it. YouTube is not easy. Thonia. I don't know who's going to say Joe. Don't worry, you're gonna make it there. You will.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts.
Delicious soup, delicious fufu.
Delicious soup, delicious fufu.
Yeah.
Oh. You are an African man. It's in our blood, isn't it?
Yeah.
Matthew, please keep that phone down now.
No.
Keep that phone immediately down.
Here.
To watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way.
Bon appétit. Bon appétit.
Grazie.
Gracias.
Guys, we are eating now. Sorry, my lighting is very, very poor here. But this is my food. And that's Martin's own. This is Michael's own.
O mai tocca oggi non ci la nim o la giusto io. A volte le maestre lo fanno. Con la maestra Giulia lo faccio io.
Com'è?
Bene. E te ti immagini? Non è bene, non è bene.
Michael, you already say bene. Perché lo porta sempre? Perché lei non riesce a stare fermo.
No, perché le vuole mandare fuori per fare un po' di esercizi e dopo tornare dentro alla classe una volta. A volte torna in
Perché
classe.
la porta fuori? Perché Ariana è sempre in movimento.
Sì.
Eh?
Any teacher has no one. It mathematics
Who told you you are smarter?
me.
It's good you believe in yourself. That's very, very important.
Anche tra l'altro non è solo
If you
come
don't believe in yourself, it will be difficult for people to believe in you. So believing in yourself is very important, very necessary. And that's going to help you to build your self-esteem, take away every form of inferiority complex from you. Do you understand?
lunedì abbiamo ancora la verifica, eh. Ma scusa, ma mi sono dimenticato anche una cosa. Oltre a quella di religione abbiamo fatto anche quella di matematica.
Ecco. Because I wanted to ask you before. I knew you were going to do tests, mathematics tests with it.
Sì, ma la maestra Giulia mi ha portato fuori, ma in religione no, perché lei è uscita, perché lei è andata via da scuola.
And how did it go?
Bene, quindi. Erano solo operazioni, eh? Non era un problema niente, solo operazioni.
Operazione di division or the subtraction or the multiplication.
Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Anche la maestra c'aveva. Anche la.
Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm done eating and just came here to sit down. I couldn't even finish the food. I don't know what happened. Suddenly my my body changed. I'm feeling very feverish here and I think I'm about to go under the weather and the weather is really really bad. So at least I was able to eat a little. That's already okay like that. Meanwhile, I'm done. So I'm just going to rest for a little or I just, try and go through my schooling if I'm able. Then I'll go and pick the twins later. So if you have watched up to this far, thank you so much for watching and still stay tuned. I'll be seeing you guys on my next clip. Okay.
Bye!
Bye.
Bye, boy.